Whether you woke up feeling stiff or just need a boost to start your morning, this routine is for you. We'll gently wake up your muscles, energize your core, and unlock tight spots so you can move through your day with ease. Today's session is all about energizing your body and setting the tone for a vibrant day. No special equipment is needed, just a comfortable mat or soft surface and your dedication to yourself. This flow is perfect for your living room, bedroom, or even outside if you want to soak in some morning sunlight. Today, we'll flow through 5 stretches designed to wake up your hamstrings, hips, spine, and shoulders. Each move builds on the last, leaving you feeling refreshed and ready to take on the day. Most people would hit snooze, but you've chosen to show up, and that's powerful. I promise by the end of this routine, you'll feel grounded, flexible, and unstoppable. Let's hit the mat. We're starting with downward dog, a classic stretch to energize the entire back body. Picture yourself grounding into the mat while stretching toward the sky. Place your hands shoulder width apart on the mat and step your feet back, creating an inverted V shape. Press your heels toward the floor. Engage your arms and let your head relax between your shoulders. Take deep breaths as you feel the stretch through your hamstrings, calves, and shoulders. Downward dog lengthens your spine, stretches your legs, and energizes your body from head to toe. I promise this move will wake up your muscles and leave you feeling rejuvenated. If your hamstrings feel tight, bend your knees slightly and focus on lengthening your spine. Advanced movers can deepen the stretch by pressing their heels closer to the floor. From here, gently lower your knees to the mat as we flow into child's pose and cobra stretch. This flowing stretch is like a morning yawn for your spine and chest, waking up every muscle gently and fluidly. Start in child's pose with your knees wide and your hips sinking back towards your heels. As you inhale, glide forward into cobra stretch, lifting your chest and pressing through your palms. Exhale as you return to child's pose. Repeat this flow, moving with your breath. This dynamic stretch loosens up your lower back, opens your chest, and gently mobilizes your spine. I promise you'll feel more fluid and alive with each repetition. If cobra feels intense on your lower back, lower your chest slightly and focus on gentle movement. Advanced movers can lift higher and hold cobra for a second longer. Take one last flow forward, then come to a kneeling position for full hula hoops. Now, we'll loosen up those hips with full hula hoops. Imagine creating smooth, flowing circles as if you're drawing energy around your body. Kneel tall, place your hands on your hips, begin circling your hips in one direction, creating large fluid movements. After 30 seconds, reverse the direction. Focus on moving with control and feeling the stretch through your lower back and hips. This movement mobilizes your hips, releases tension in the lower back, and improves core flexibility. I promise by the end of this, your hips will feel looser and more open. If kneeling isn't comfortable, perform this movement standing with your feet hip width apart. Advanced movers can make larger, more dynamic circles. Finish your last circle and shift to all fours for bird dog. Let's activate your core and improve balance with bird dog. Think of this as your power move, creating strength and stability for the day. From all fours, extend your right arm forward and your left leg back, keeping your spine neutral. Hold for a moment, then return to center and switch sides. Focus on keeping your movements slow and controlled. Bird dog strengthens your core, stabilizes your hips, and improves posture. I promise you'll feel stronger and more centered after this move. If balancing feels challenging, keep your raised hand or foot closer to the mat for support. Advanced movers can hold each extension for a second longer. Lower both hands and knees back to the mat, and let's finish with thread the needle. Finally, let's release tension in the shoulders and upper back with thread the needle. Imagine unwinding tightness and creating space with every breath. From all fours, slide your right arm underneath your left, lowering your shoulder and head to the mat. Keep your hips square and your left hand grounded. Hold for 30 seconds, then switch sides. This stretch opens your upper back, improves spinal rotation, and relieves shoulder tension. I promise you'll feel lighter and more relaxed after this. If lowering your head to the mat feels intense, use a cushion for support. Advanced movers can extend their top arm forward for a deeper stretch. Unwind slowly, come back to a seated position, and take a deep breath as we close out this flow. Fantastic work, fam. In just 5 minutes, you've energized your body, activated your core, and created space in your hips and shoulders. Most people would have skipped this step, but you showed up and invested in yourself. That's how champions start their day. Anytime you see that notification bell go off, just press play and invite a friend to join our next session. Stay strong, flexible, and powerful. I'll see you in the next session. Let's go.